What's going on, gang of fam? Today I want to share with you a super simple brand new viral method on how you can make $2.40 every 2 minutes over and over again with no website, no videos, and without paying for anything at all. Now I understand that $2.40 every 2 minutes, it's pretty small amount, but this method is going to work for you on autopilot. So overall, like every 2 minutes you should be getting like $2.40. So if you're going to multiply that 240 times 30, because that's like how many 2 minutes are in 1 hour, it's going to make you around like $70 per hour. And if you're going to multiply that by 24, because this is going to be working for you 24 hours per day, you can easily make like $1.7 thousand if you're going to set this up just like I'm going to show you. This is very important because this method is kind of like based on a viral effect, and you can earn almost double this amount if you're going to get on that viral wave. But if you're not going to get on that viral wave, chances are you end up making a couple $100. Well, yeah, boo-hoo. I mean, couple $100 for free. Let's get it. So what you want to do is step number 1, head over to. But before that, this video is 100% free, and the only thing that I'm kindly asking you to do is to please smash the like on this video. It takes just a few seconds and helps me big time. And also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can notify you whenever I upload a brand new money making video. You want to head over to the cpagrip.com. Now we are going to be using this CPA network because compared to other networks, if you are comparing the same exact offer, CPA Grip is always paying you the most amount of money compared to like some other CPA networks out there. They pay like 50 cents, and the same exact offer you can get it on CPA Grip and get paid $2.40 for the same exact offer. So just go to CPA Grip, click on register right here, then fill out all the details that you are asked for, and for the publisher type just select okay, they don't allow GPT anymore, so just go for website insend. Okay, this is the reason why I'm always showing you the steps multiple times, because usually there's GPT right here, but they don't have it anymore. So select website/insend. Okay, this is going to be the category that's going to approve you. That's why I'm re-recording every time I click bank signups and all those different things. So now I'm going to just log in into my account. Now bear in mind, I'm not really just active on this network anymore, but I'm going to show you live proof instead of like some other guys who are like refreshing their stats. Okay, they never show you this part right here. On CPA Grip, you gotta see this part right here in order to see the real proof. I will show you my real proof that I actually made money on CPA Grip. You can see it right here, $4.1 thousand. So I know a thing or two right here, but I'm not really focusing on it anymore. I'm focusing on affiliate marketing because it's, I guess, way more profitable, but takes just a little bit more experience. Anyways, head over to the offers and go to my offers right here. You want to select United States, and then this is the offer you want to go for. Because it's Christmas, you can also customize it. I will show you like how to do this multiple times. So for example, get an Apple Watch now. This is an offer you want to go for, or get a brand new PS5 now. Some kind of a giveaway. Get a brand new GoPro 8. This is how you're going to maximize the method. With just one of these offers, you can make like $2,000 once you set it up. But then what? You're just going to sit and watch your earnings? No, do it multiple times, and that way you're going to maximize your earnings. So let's say just one time this is going to work, you get $2,000, but if it works 5 times, you get $10,000. So let's go with the PS5 now. Okay, also for this offer right here, I have a special gift for you. At the end, I will give you a copy and paste done for you campaign. So this is going to be your link. Don't use the file Senzu. Use like tracking GRP or Yod files, and then you want to copy this link. Then you want to shorten it. So go to Bitly and you want to shorten, because this link kind of looks spammy, and we don't want that to happen. So enter the long URL, click on create, and you can just use the basic Bitly link right here. Now the next step, what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search for PlayStation 5, because we are using the PlayStation 5 right here, and you want to just grab any of these images that you're going to see. Okay, just for example, I'm using this one. I could also use my own because I have a PS5, I won it in an affiliate competition. But anyways, then go to Canva and click on create a design, and you are looking for Twitter post. Okay, Twitter post, just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to simply right click on copy and place it right here, and then you want to customize it so it's going to fit the entire screen just like this. Now what you want to write here, I already created a post. This was the most hard part, like getting the image there. Other than that, just use these elements, use these images to your preference. I want to show you what you want to create. You want to create this type of post. Okay, this is going to be it. It's called the December PS5 giveaway. Win a free PS5 worth $5.99. To enter the free giveaway, follow the steps. Retweet this post on your feed. Tag one friend who is going to play it with you. Click on the link in bio to submit your entry. You must complete all the steps and then underline this part as an extra step. Now to get access to this exact post, I can actually do that. So I'm going to share it and I will give you the link at the end of the video. Just make sure to watch this so you know how to make money with this one. This is going to be the image that we are going to be using. You can just download it or publish it to the Twitter right away. The reason why this is going to work so well is when you're going to post this on Twitter, people are going to be retweeting it just for the sake, because it takes like a few seconds and then they are going to be tagging their friends. This happens on Instagram all the time, but there isn't really any feed to show this. You cannot really retweet something on Instagram. You can do it on Twitter and it takes like a few seconds. So people are going to be doing this and they're like, okay, I will click on the link in bio to try this out. And they're like, okay, submit their details and bam, $2.40. However, some of these are going to be like, okay, I will just try to submit my details. They will come there and bam, you still make money. But those that are going to retweet this are going to create this viral effect, because when you go to Twitter, it's going to be showing on their newsfeed. So one of your friends is going to, let's say, share it. It's going to be on two newsfeeds now, on yours and on his friends. Then another friend of his is going to share it and it's going to create this multiple viral effect that's going to be sending you direct free traffic over and over again. So that's what I tell you to go to CPA Grip and do this for multiple offers, like Apple Watch right here. Just promote Apple Watch, and you can also create a dedicated Twitter account for each of these offers, okay? Because chances are that you don't want to be posting this on your private account, you want to be posting this on your branded account, and then that's where you're going to add your link. You want to make sure you're going to add it into the bio section, okay? Click on the link in bio to submit your entry. So they are going to retweet it, they are going to tag a couple of their friends, they are going to share it. This way you get free traffic, and then once they're going to complete that, you get paid $2.40 over and over again. Okay, and for the people that are watching till the end, this is the special hack. You want to add one entry every 24 hours because people are going to be kind of greedy, like, okay, I want to entry multiple times. The affiliate offer is going to be there, the CPA offer, and they are going to be like, okay, every 24 hours it's going to restart for them, so one person can complete the CPA offer every 24 hours. That's how you get paid. They're going to be doing it every 24 hours to up their chances, and you'll be making even more money because the same exact people that completed the offer one time are going to do it multiple times. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Go ahead, get these simple payouts into your account as soon as possible. Make some easy money before Christmas. I wish you the best of luck. And if you'd like to see how I made over $500 in ClickBank on just 6 short days using an automated traffic software, check out this video right here, which is going to show you the exact step-by-step tutorial. And I'm going to see you inside of there. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and bye for now.